अधर्म पर धर्म की विजय, असत्य पर सत्य की विजय, बुराई पर अच्छाई की विजय, पाप पर पुण्य की विजय, अत्याचार पर सदाचार की विजय, अज्ञान पर ज्ञान की विजय, रावण पर राम की विजय के प्रतीक पावन पर्व पर विजयदशमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Wish you happy Dashera to you all. On this auspicious occasion, I, Smiksha from 11th Commerce, want to deliver a speech in front of you. Dashera is a festival celebrated in the Hindu religion. It is one of the important festivals in India. It is also longest one's festival. People celebrate Dashera with great pomp, joy throughout the country. It is the time to rejoicing for everyone. Dashera falls 2 or 3 weeks prior to Diwali. It usually falls around October or November. Everyone waits for this festival. The ladies prepare for their pujas, and while men bring cracker on this festival. Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi in some regions of India. The main event of this festival have only one motive, that is the victory of good over evil. This festival signifies the victory of good over that the power of evil. If we look at the Hindu mythology, it says that Goddess Durga removed demon Mahisasur from the earth, and other reason signifies the Lord Rama fought and eliminated King Demon Ravan on this day. People celebrate Dashera in India with great pomp, joy, love and show. The spirit and zeal remain constant on this festival. शांति अमन के इस देश से अब बुराई को मिटाना होगा। आतंकी रावण का दहन करने आज फिर राम को आना होगा। दशहरा mark Lord Rama victory over demon Ravan. People says that this battle enacted between them 10 long days. This dramatic form is also called Ram Leela. People of North India act as Ram Leela by wearing masks and doing various dance forms. होती जीत सत्य की और असत्य की हार, यही संदेश देता है दशहरे का त्योहार. दशहरा mark Lord Rama victory over King Demon Ravan. And this light always conquer darkness. Thank you and have a nice day.